Gorgeous zingy lemon cheesecake. If you love lemons, this is a must try. It's super quick and super easy to make. You will need 250 grams of digestive biscuits. There's also a recipe for these on my channel, or you can use store-bought. I bashed these up with a rolling pin, as you can see. That's all I had. 80 grams of melted butter. Mix it all in really well. Then pop it into your dish and press down firm. Once this is done, pop it in the fridge whilst you make the filling. $380 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of icing sugar, whisk all together, then add 300 ml of double cream, and then add your lemon juice, 80 ml. And then the zest of 3 unwaxed lemons. Mine look a little green. They were lemons, not limes, I promise. Okay, then mix this all in. And pop onto your base some lemon curd. Mine's homemade, and there is a recipe for the lemon curd on my website, but you can use store-bought, on my channel rather. Spread this over evenly. I use 3 heaped tablespoons. And then pop your filling on top. And smooth this all over. Then it needs to set in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours, but unless you're short of time like I was, I left it in the fridge for 3 hours, but in between I did pop it in the freezer for half an hour, and that worked perfect. Okay, once it's set, add another 3 heaped teaspoons of lemon curd and smooth this out on top. It doesn't have to go right to the edges because you'll be piping some cream on. Okay, and then begin piping your whipped cream. And then you'll want to zest 1 more lemon, unwaxed lemon, and add this just to the centre. Just gives that extra zing. And there we go, your cheesecake is ready. Looks absolutely beautiful and tastes even better.